Hank. I'm Bill with Tameron Hyundai here in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you for your interest in this 2015 Camry SE. As you notice, it's in great shape. It's got low mileage. We have fog lamps up front and projection headlights, chrome accent on the front, alloy wheels on the side with new tires, many options on the inside. And the interior, we got all your controls at your fingertips on the steering wheel, Bluetooth capable, paddle shifting on the steering wheel as well, backup camera, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo radio with a CD player. Great condition, very clean car, excellent on gas mileage. Please feel free to come back and see me. We're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway here in